Hello guys, today I received a smart lock. It says that we have a keyless code, mechanical key, automatic locking, and emergency alarm. It took me literally like 7 minutes to install. It was pretty easy. You just have to disarm the lock that you have in your door and then just put the new one. Also, when you install the smart lock, you can reset the password like in literally 5 seconds, and then you put the password that you want, and that's it. I recommend this product 100%. It has 50 entrance code that you can put it, and I think it's pretty secure. When I put my password, it didn't illuminate the number that I just clicked, so it's pretty secure for my home. I have 2 kids, and I recommend it 100%.